welcome to my video. My name is Lisa, and today I'm going to be working on week 2 of the hashtag OctHygge 2023 collab that I'm in. Hopefully you've been having some fun, and last week you were able to get some ideas for journal covers and have been able to post some pictures of those. Love taking a look at everything that people make. It's so much fun to see different things. It's amazing, especially, you know, in the collaborators, the journal covers. Several of us made similar kind of, this is my journal cover, by the way. Several of us made the kind of faux leathery kind of look, but they're all different. It's amazing. So today, for week 2, I am going to be doing my signature, putting that together, and I'll give my thoughts on how I put them together to you. I'll move that to the side, and I'm going to grab my pages that I have used. So in the video for the introduction that I posted on September 24th, first video for this, I did show the 2 digital kits that we are using from Stacy and Karin. I'll show you those again. So we have Karin's, that is called Time to Read journal kit, and we have for Stacy the Let's OctHygge digital kit. And both are linked below in the description, and they are still on sale 30% off through the end of October. So if you have not jumped on, started making these yet, you can still pick them up and participate. All right, so the one kit has pages that get cut off a little bit more. They are from the kit, I believe that was Karin's. I cut all the pages up I wanted to do. That is, no, this one comes from, the smaller pages come from Karin. The bigger pages came from Stacy. Sorry, make sure I got those correct. But I'm still gonna put them together in there. All I need to do is center the pages. And if you saw when I did the reveal, I did print on the back of each. So I've got my couple pages I want to use from the one kit. I've got a couple pages I want to use from the other kit. I also have a couple things that I want to add. This is a pocket that I made, and I thought it was kind of bookish. It's got some writing on there, and I like the fall kind of colors on there. I have one of my Mommy pages. It's kind of feels like soft fabric. I like the colors that went with it, so I have those 2. And then I've got a few pages here that are, this is a coffee dyed one, and these 2 are from my tie-dye. Yeah, I tie-dyed them with tie-dye colors. I'll put the link in the description of the video to show you how I did those. But I thought the colors went well with it. So, all right, so let's get a mix in here. All right, so I've decided to go through and put like bigger sheet, smaller sheet, big, and kind of alternate, and then I'm going to put these in between. This is the one that I decided to do as the cover sheet. I liked it since it looked like a book, and this is kind of be the end of the signature. So it looks like a nice finishing, like you would end up at the end of the day, sitting on a nice cozy chair reading a book. So that is my thoughts to why I decided to do this page as my first page. Yeah. Now I decided I wanted to do this one as a center page because you're only going to see half and half if you put it in a regular page and then had it fold. So I wanted to see this in full because I thought it was really pretty. So I'm going to fold this to the inside, and I backed it with some great pages that were part of the kit, shadowing in there. So that's going to be the inside page. Okay, leave that to the side because I don't know I'll bury it. So let's see. So if we put this one next, this might be a good one to go next. move this out going this way. And then, let's see. This kind of has more browns. Keep the browns together. Maybe I'll put that one next. Fold that. Yeah, I like that. Let's do that. Put that in there, and then we'll put something in between. I like those. Okay, yeah, we'll put something in between there. And let's see. Let's go to blues next. Yeah, we'll do that, and then we need to get to a smaller one, or do I need to put a smaller one between there? Let's put a smaller one between there. This has blue on it. Okay, so we'll put a smaller one between there. So it goes small, big, small, big, yes, okay. So, kind of running out of smalls. So we'll do another big. That'd be a nice area to write. I'll probably set something in between it though. And then this has lots of yellows with that. So we'll go to that. Okay, and then we'll go to this one. Yeah, let's take a look and see how this looks so far. Oops, I need to put my center page in there. Okay. Okay. Need to get my bone folder out when we're done, said and done with this. All right, so we'll start with that. We get that. Have some yellows, and then we'll get to transition to the blues. Nice cream in between. We go to the yellow. Small page and the center. Yeah, okay. Excuse my reach, I need to get my bone folder. Okay, so like I said, I picked like an orangey one, yellow one. I picked blue, and then the regular coffee dyed one. And then I've got the Pomegranate and that. So, all right. Now I don't mind that next to that, but I'm thinking maybe I should put something between these two. So let's go with this coffee. I think it gives a nice texture. Yeah, that'll be good. And again, I don't mind that they're bigger or smaller, because in the end, they're all going to be smaller than my journal cover, which I sadly have misplaced already. Like, I just had it out. Like, how can I do that? Oh, there it is. Put it under the kits I was showing. So, as you can see, this will be not a problem to be able to be tucked inside of there. So, okay, so we got the tea dye, and we'll center that, and then, all right, should we put the blue in here? Or here? Let's see. Let's fold her up and see what we got here. Don't mind that, because you can still see. Oh, I like that. Yeah, I think I like that. There's a bit of blue in there. Yeah, I'm fine with that. I like that together. So here, this might be a good place to separate with maybe this. Yeah, let's do that. You still see that? Yeah, I like that. And this has yellow, so maybe we could put this in there. See how that looks. I have to repair that a little. Okay, maybe I'll do it this way. The words there. Words on top. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Yeah, I like that. Okay. And then maybe I'll do like I did the blue one, where I have this be the backdrop for this, because it's got the peach in there. Open it up. The blue against the peach looks nice. There is peach. And we are centered. Okay. I think I like it. All right, so let's give another little walk through here and see what it looks like, how it would turn out. Okay, so nice place to be able to write, beautiful picture, be able to add something writing there, and very cute against that. I like that. That blue ties in with that, and then this frames that beautifully. Blue against the chair. I love that. Blue there. All right, so this pocket is good there. Yeah, I like that. Gives a good color combination to that. Reading words. I did this Pomegranate quite a few weeks ago, and it's amazing how it still has a nice smell to it. All right, so the yellow with that. It's not the exact yellow, but I like it. And then we've got a nice place to write. It's kind of peachish, pinkish. It's more pink, but I didn't want the pink papers that I have are really pink, and I thought this was a better color to match with it. It really goes much better. Even though there's pink here, there is still some peach undertones in there. And then the green, the flowers, and the center. Beautiful. That side looks good against there. That looks nice against there. It has some peachy in the background of the wallpaper. Again with that. Yellow with the book page. Beautiful. Words, words. Cozy chair, Yorkshire. That looks nice there because this is busy. This is not. Again with the blue. Looks beautiful. Blue window to that. Hints of blue in there. That looks nice with the book and the coffee. That and that back side of that. And it's the end of the book. Beautiful. Okay. I love it. All right. So, well, that was fun to do. I hope you enjoyed it. And today's question for the video to get an entry into the sweepstakes is, what is your favorite band? So I'm gonna have to admit to my favorite band. It's probably gonna be an oldie but goodie, U2. I really do like them. And shocker one might be, I really like Shinedown. It's a little bit more new for this old lady, but they came up. I'm a closet Nickelback fan too. I know some people are pretty much against them, but I love Nickelback too. So Nickelback, Shinedown, U2, those are probably my favorite bands. Not really into country and old school. You know, I still even listen to my AC/DC and my Metallica. So yeah, I'm an old rocker chick from the get-go. All right, so don't forget to put a comment in the comment of what your favorite band is to enter the sweepstakes to win prizes at the end of this. My prize is going to be this journal, which you've now seen the signature that is going to go into my cover. We are going to be doing the binding for that and to complete the journal in week 4. So when I decorate next week for the embellishments, I will have this out to be able to do it. So if I need to move anything or get it to fit, I will be doing it at that point. So that is the story on this. So don't forget to check out everybody else's videos. Today, me and Samantha are doing ours. You saw on Monday and Sunday, Stacy, Karin, Anna, and Val did theirs, and then tomorrow, Santhini and Vanessa will be working on theirs. And again, at the end of the week, go ahead and post all of your lovely creations, how your signature's going, how your journal's going, any of your other items to the hashtag OctHygge 2023 on any of your social media sites so that we can ooh and ah over what they look like. So that is going to be it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. And as usual, I hope you have a wonderful and creative day. Bye now.